welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West. If this is your first time on the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I am going to be talking about the spiritual benefits of scent leaf. This is a very popular leaf that we know all over the world, and we use it for cooking a lot. I have done a previous video about this leaf in the past. This is one of the leaves that you can use to treat madness or insanity. We use it for that very kind of thing in Africa. We also use it for a lot other things as well, which I would like to talk about today. This leaf is something that you can use as a shield against a spiritual attack. It is very powerful against attacks from evil people, from spells, from dangerous spells, or if you just feel jinxed. If you have been jinxed, you'll be having a stroke of bad luck, one bad luck to another, one misfortune to another. It just keep coming and coming. Whatever can go wrong is going wrong. Scent leaf is one of your best bets and your last bus stop that you can use. You can use this to stop spiritual attack, to stop evil attack, to stop all sort of spiritual curses or hexes that somebody is throwing at you. And it is very effective for that. Scent leaf have many benefits, and I'm going to be telling you about them. It is widely used in African spirituality. It's one of our best kept secret because it's very common. A lot of people don't value it. Today I'm going to tell you guys so that you can get your hands on it. For some time now, some people have been complaining that they are under spiritual attacks and different things have been happening. They don't know that you can be able to use this scent leaf to solve that problem. I will be talking about a very powerful spell that you can do with scent leaf to break or destroy any spiritual attack against you, okay? First of all, how can we locate this leaf? The botanical name for this leaf is Ocimum gratissimum. Ocimum gratissimum. You can see it on the screen so that you don't miss it. This name is needed so that you can easily trace it out when you are looking for it. There are a lot of different type of leaves that look like this one, but you need to trace this very one. Once you can be able to trace it, consider almost all your spiritual problems solved, because scent leaf can be used for a lot of things. We use scent leaf mostly for regeneration, revitalization, restoration. For people that are being attacked spiritually, scent leaf is what we use to heal them or to treat them. It's basically used for healing. Okay, this is what you need to know. It chases away evil spirits or bad energy. And what people do with it is that they use it for cooking. A lot of time we put it in our food. Then we use it for spiritual baths. It is something that also have a lot of medical benefits in the body. It purifies your system. That's what they call washing and setting. Just eating and chewing scent leaf, it will neutralize all the toxins inside your body. Those people that drink too much, that smoke too much, you want to wipe all those planes, all those tar from your lungs. Scent leaf is very good for that. It cleans your organs, cleans the lungs, cleans the heart, cleans the liver, cleans the kidney, all those kind of internal cleansing. Scent leaf is excellent for that kind of thing. Okay, it does a lot for the body, makes you to be fresh and clean, cleans your body, cleans you it cleans everything it touches. Okay, for those women that want to ovulate, that want to induce ovulation so that they can have children, scent leaf is something that you need. Again, those women that want to avoid menopause, early menopause, you need to be eating scent leaf a lot, because scent leaf is something I will say maybe like engine oil. When you eat it inside your body, it makes the body works efficiently and effectively. It sort of reduces or slows down aging, so those organs that are trying to pack up due to old age or stress. Scent leaf has the power to revitalize those organs, those parts of your body. So scent leaf is something that you need to be eating regularly in your diet. You should not put, most times people will just put 3 or 4 leaf just to get flavor. You should be putting like 10 or 20 scent leaf. Me, I always load my food with scent leaf. Anytime I see it, I over scent the food. Anytime I cook with it, I don't put 4. Most people, they will just put 4 leaves there. What will 4 do for you? Put 20 or 50. This is what you should be putting. Load the place with the scent leaf so that you will get the full benefits. Okay, it's not by putting 3, 4. Put everything inside. It is very, very good for the body. Okay, it does a lot of good work, a lot of internal medical work that even your modern day medical doctors cannot do. So scent leaf is something that you need very, very much. Okay, you want to induce ovulation, you need to be eating this regularly. Okay, then for people that want to do spiritual baths, get scent leaf, get a lot of them, then put it in a pot, a big pot, then you boil it very much so that it becomes very hot, it's steaming and bringing out smoke. When you boil it to like at least for 30 minutes or so, you off the stove and let it cool down very, very well. Then you use it for spiritual baths. People use it for spiritual baths to bath away curses, hexes. There's this thing that we have in our place whereby people will touch you with something, with evil spell for evil to follow you. You'll be walking on the way, somebody can just touch you, or somebody close to you, an enemy, all this hidden enemy we have in family. There we do some kind of bad things to you to change your destiny or to bring problem into your life. You need to be doing these spiritual baths so that it will cleanse all those evil things from you. There's one thing we need to know as spiritualists. As a spiritualist, you need to be constantly cleaning yourself, doing spells, especially if you are working for people or if you want to have a life filled with positivity and prosperity. You don't do just one spiritual bath since last year, then you think that one will solve all your problem. Okay, all these things wears down as you go out every day. As a human being, you eat every day. You eat morning, afternoon, evening. The food you eat 2 months ago, is it the same food that is carrying you till now? It's not the same food. So you need to be eating constantly to survive. As a spiritual person, you need to be doing spiritual cleansing because we interact with people a lot. Some places we go, we meet with bad people, evil people. They give us things. We make close contact with them. We even take some people home. You meet some strangers, you sleep with them. You don't know the kind of spirit they are carrying. Some of these people may not even like you. You make friends with different kind of people. You don't know their real intentions. You do business with a lot of people. You need to be doing constant spiritual cleansing. Spiritual cleansing, any kind of attachment, any kind of things you take or you contact from other people, you need to wash it off you. There are some people you have close contact with them. It's like they transfer some of their bad luck into your body. So you need to be constantly washing yourself again and again and again. And we do this with simple spiritual baths like this, with simple items like this that will be cleansing us. Scent leaf is one of those very, very powerful stuff that will help you. Why I am talking about it, it is easily accessible. I believe you can get this in almost every country. I've seen it everywhere I go. You can get it easily and you can use it to do this spiritual work. Okay, so you need to get it. If somebody is jealous of you, somebody is envious of you, you in a place where people are jealous, envious, you in a competition in your office or your place of business, you need to be using scent leaf regularly for your bathing. Regularly, in case any negative thing, any cause thing, it will just neutralize them, will be burning them off. It will be burning them off you, so you continue to be pure. This will help you to be attracting prosperity all the time. Prosperity, wealth, favor, prosperity, wealth, favor. Just like spearmint, scent leaf is another powerful thing that you need. So use it for healing injuries. When people come to you claiming that they have been attacked by spiritual forces, one of the things we use is scent leaf. When people have been attacked spiritually, they have been cursed, they have been hexed, they don't have any solution, we use scent leaf to bath them. We boil it very much and we mix it with other items. Then we use it for the spiritual bath. Any curse that is attached to them, it will just burn it off. Okay, it will burn it off, it will neutralize it, then the person will become free again. So scent leaf is something that is very, very powerful. It makes the person unavailable for destruction. This is what they say. It's something that is very, very deep. It gives you deep cleansing. Okay, one powerful spell that you can use with this scent leaf is that if you feel hex, you feel cursed, or some people have been attacking you spiritually, you don't know what to do, you have spiritual problem, you're having nightmares, and you have tried so many means, one thing you need to try is this scent leaf. Get scent leaf, get many of them, then you use it to bath. You need to get many scent leaf. Okay, get a very good portion of scent leaf, put them in a pot of water, then you boil it for like 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure it's hot boiling. When you boil water, it is steaming, bringing out steam. Then you are going to get this thing they call potash. There is one thing we call kenwu in Africa, in Nigeria. We use it to cook. Potassium. You will use it for spicing, and something like, it tastes very salty, but it's rock salt, very large rock salt. Potash is what we call it. You will get some white potash, then you will put it like a tablespoon. You will put it, or you get one block of this potash. You will put it inside the pot, let it dissolve, mix it very well. Okay, then you keep it. In the morning time, you get some of your early morning urine. The first pee that you are going to pee in the morning, you will get like a glass or half glass of it. You put it to this mixture, put everything in a bucket, then you use it to bathe. Okay, as you are bathing, any spiritual attack or any negativity, any cause that is following you, or whatever somebody have done to you, you neutralize it from your body with this mixture. Okay, you use the scent leaf and the potash and the pee. Your own pee has to be your own pee. Okay, mix together. You use it to bath, then let it seep into your body. What this will do is that it will go deep into your skin, into your spiritual energetic body. It is going to wipe up every curse, every bad X, anything that is there that is not normal, that is not supposed to be there, that is giving you problem. Anything that anybody has sent come to attach to your spirit that is giving you problem, it will wipe them off. Okay, then you're going to be a free person. This is a very, very powerful cleansing. You can do it any time of the day, morning, afternoon, and evening, but the best time is in the morning. As you get that pee, put the pee inside and bath with it very, very quickly. Okay, and you'll be free. Also, if you feel that you have been X, maybe you want to wash some of your clothes or items, you can use water or scent leaf. You add a little of the water, scent leaf, and salt used to wash all your clothes. Or you can also use it to clean your house. If you want to clean your house of negativity, you can use a scent leaf, mix it with salt, then sprinkle around your house, sprinkle around your shop. It is very, very good. You can use it to also wash your car too, if you feel your car has been hex. There are some people that will buy car, they're always having problem, different spiritual problem. I've experienced that kind of thing. So scent leaf is something that you can actually use for a lot of spiritual work. It is very good for neutralizing, repelling negative attacks, and for healing people. Just like spearmint, it is also used for healing too. So if somebody has been attacked or is suffering from nightmares, you need to bathe with this before you go to bed. Okay, no evil spirit can near you, no bad spirits can be able to come near you. So scent leaf is something that is very, very powerful. It scents very nice, that tracks only good vibration. Is very powerful, and we use it basically for healing. Okay, so you need this very stuff if you feel you have been attacked with curses, and you need healing, spiritual healing. Scent leaf is the herb that we help you to heal very, very fast, and we solve all those type of spiritual problems. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Remember, this remedy is very important. Scent leaf, potash, early morning pee for serious spiritual attack. Okay, use this method if you feel attacked, or you have somebody that is under serious spiritual attack, especially spirits of madness, insanity, stroke of bad luck, promise and fail, disappointment, those kind of problems. Okay, this will help them to overcome those challenges. So this is what I have for you today. Questions or comments are welcome as usual. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel and make sure that you always hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get my videos as soon as I upload them. Then if you are interested in learning about African spirituality, my website is CM River of Knowledge. You need to register. You're going to learn a lot of deep stuff that will improve and advance your spiritual development. Then if you want to read my book on quantum physics and African spirituality, it is still here waiting for you. Those people that religion have turned you into a mad person, that you have now become an enemy of yourself, that you are now suffering from inferiority complex. This book, I wrote it for not only you, for all kinds of people. This book will help you a lot. I have a lot of reference there to show you the validity and authenticity of African spirituality, and to show you the criminality and the stupidity and the insanity of religion. Everything is inside this book for you to read. It is easy book to read. I will send you the e-copy. It is only $25. You can spend that money on a lunch plate. The book is waiting for you. Yeah, still here waiting for you. You have no excuse not to know anything about your history. So please, please, please contact me for this book, and you'll be very glad you did. So with that being said, I thank you very much for watching me, and I will see you in the next video as usual. So take care and bye. Peace.